Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is RSkNN. kNN sets on pro networks by incorporating social influence. Our project abstract. Location-based social networking services required such a query. We studied a new problem, kNN search on pro networks by incorporating social influence. So basically the state-of-art independent cascade model in social networking is applied to define social influence. One critical challenge of the problem is to spend up to computation of social influence over large road and social networks. To address this challenge, we propose three efficient index-based search algorithms: network-based, social network-based, and hybrid indexing algorithms. In the RNN-based algorithm, we employ a filtering and verification framework for tackling the hard problem of computing social influence. In the SN-based algorithm, social cuts into the index so that we speed up the query. In the hybrid algorithm, we propose an index summarizing the road and social networks based on which we can obtain query answer efficiently. Our project flow diagram. In this project, we are developing road social network and kNN neighbor based on the social influence used to find the some nearest places on the network. First, we have the two process load dataset. The dataset means user collected from the network or any other some places. We have using two datasets. Datasets based on the social network dataset and the road network based on the real datasets. And first, pre-processing datasets. Pre-processing means remove unwanted data from the datasets, and next merge the datasets based on the items. Merging means we have the two datasets. Datasets is a common process based on the some items. And next, road social networks and kNN neighbor have the two processes. First, the road social network. Road social network means we have a social network dataset. The network dataset we have the fronts based on the data. We store the data based on the fronts. And next, kNN neighbor means find the shortest path. The path will be based on the real network data. And next, we have the hybrid indexing algorithm. Hybrid indexing algorithm is based on the social network and nearest neighbors. We merge the two datasets based on the hybrid indexing algorithm, and finally track path to the travel. The user select the travel path for finally get it. Let's see the demo of our project. First, run the home file. Run the file. Start the process. First, choose our first dataset. This is our first dataset. This is our user details. Store data. Data will be stored in our database. Next, this is our second dataset. This is our second dataset. Store data into the successfully. Next, view data. These are the two datasets. This is our user. This is our restaurant. This is our user comments for the restaurants. And this is our first dataset. Pre-processing data. Pre-processing completed. After the pre-processing nothing but remove the unwanted data. These are the empty fields are there. Some other fields. We remove the unwanted data from our dataset. And next, load data. These are two datasets. This is our place and restaurant and distance for the users. This is our second dataset, and choose any one restaurant name and merge your data. They will be merged. These are the users are commanded for this restaurant. This is the place for the restaurant place, and this is our restaurant name. The restaurant name will be followed by the digits. And next, this is social network data. Use any one user. Load data. This is our user. This user was registered for the Tortit restaurant. This is our user. This user are sent into the multiple restaurants. This is our social network database clustering. And next, this is our k nearest neighbor. Suppose user want to select any one places for California or some other places in USA. User select the Texas and view data. These are the data are user now in Texas and find the nearest places. The nearest places based on the distance and store data into the database. And database stored. And next, this is our hybrid indexing algorithm. So nearby we are choosing the data set and friends are visited. This is our restaurant. This is our visited friends are these places. Okay, the here the comments based on the these comments are very positively. Okay, view the name. This is our restaurant number. This is our restaurant place for the name of the restaurant. Okay, and view the comparison graph. This is a comparison graph of the existing proposal system finding the result based on the k nearest neighbor and roadside network. Our project demo is completed. Thank you for listening.